So in this video, I will show you how I scrape thousands of LinkedIn leads completely for free without using any sales navigator or any other tools, right? All I have is this N8N automation and my N8N account. That's it. And I will also show you how you can do the same for your business, for your agency, whatever the case is, right? So before I show you how you can set this up and how you can get this automation template, let me show you a quick live demo of this automation, right? And after that I will show you how to set it up step by step, right? So let's dive in. So before I show you a quick live demo of this automation, let me just give you some context. So for the purpose of this video, we are actually searching for real estate leads in the United States, right? And this is the search query which we are using, right? So now let me just hit the test workflow and the automation will do its job. So basically what is happening here, we are using something called Google's custom search API, which provides around 100 queries per day for completely free, and each of the queries return 10 results. That means you can get almost 1000 of leads per day completely for free. Now what we are doing here, if we search this query term in here, you will see it will return the LinkedIn URLs of the real estate CEOs in the United States, right? And as you can see that we have multiple pages as well, right? So basically we are scraping all of these pages one by one. First number one page, then number two, then number three, and so on, right? And after we scrape all of these pages, we are extracting all of these URLs, and then we are waiting for 5 seconds, and after waiting for 5 seconds we are adding them into our Google Sheets or into our database, right? And after that we are doing pagination. After we have the pagination step, we are actually checking for a condition if there is any page left for scraping or not. If there is any page left, we are actually checking the condition. If it is true, we are doing the same thing again. So this is what the automation is doing, right? So basically this is the search term we are using, and if I show you the Google Sheet right now, you will see that we have all of these links, right? All of these leads, almost hundreds of leads, right? We have scraped hundreds of leads right now. I will walk you through how you can set up this automation for your business, right? So first of all, if I give you a overall overview of each of the nodes, we are setting some fields before starting the automation, which is current start index and max pages. So we are scraping 10 pages at max, right? And then we are doing Google's custom search API. Then what we are doing, we are extracting all of these results using this code, right? This is the code. You will get all of this in the template, and you can get the template, by the way, from the description. And then we are waiting 5 seconds or 10 seconds before adding it to the Google Sheets, which is this Google Sheet. Then we are doing the pagination step. Then we are checking the logic. If there is any page left to scrape, it will again go here and it will again run the same steps, right? Now how you can set it up for your business. So first of all, what you need to do is basically you need to go to Google Console Developer, and you need to click here. After you click here, you have to actually create a new project here, and this is quite easy. You can just do it like for you can just do it in like 5 minutes. So this is the project which I have created, and you need to create a new one, right? So you need to click on here, new project. You need to name it something called YT. I will just name it YT for the video purpose. Then you need to create. Okay, YT video, I think this will work. Yeah, then you need to create. After creating it, what you need to do here is select project, right? And you need to go API and services. You need to go to API and services, and here you need to go to library. You can just follow me along, right? So, and here you need to search custom search API, and here you will find something like this. You need to click and you need to enable this. So after you hit enable, you can use this custom search API by Google. So after you go to credentials, you need to go to create credentials. You need to go to create credentials and you need to hit create API key. It will generate a API key, right? And you need to copy this API key from here. Now after you copy it, you need to paste it into a notepad or in a sheet, whatever you want to paste it, because we will need it frequently. So you need to paste it here, right? And then you need to close it. Now after you create a API key, you need to go to this link, which is programmable search engine, and you have to create a new search engine. I will name it YT video, right, for the purpose of this video. Then you need to select search the entire web. Then you need to click on I am not a robot. Then you need to hit create. After that, it will give you a link where you need to add or you need to copy this CX value, right? So you need to copy it, not the entire thing, just the CX value. CX equals to the value, right? And then you need to paste it in the notepad again, right? So we have the API key, we have the CX value. Now this is all you need to do. This is all. Other than that, you don't need to do anything. Now when you are going to have this template, right, you don't need to change anything. The only thing you need to change here, if I go to this search Google HTTP request, right, you only need to put your API key here in the key section and your CX value in this section, and you can change the query value as per your needs, whatever leads you want to scrape, and other than that everything will be the same. You don't need to change anything else. Now if I show you the database, you can see the only contact touch point we have is their LinkedIn leads. I mean, sorry, their LinkedIn URLs, right? We don't have their phone number or their email, which we can use for our cold email campaign or maybe for cold calling, right? So this is the downgrade or the downside of this automation, is that you only get the LinkedIn URLs to contact them. You will not get or you can't scrape email using this free automation or using this free method, right? But I actually prefer to have that email. So for my agency, I have built this two automation which help me to scrape their emails and their phone number as well, right? But this is not free. So if you want to see a extended version of this automation or of this video where I will show you how you can scrape their emails as well for like 10 to $15, that is very cheap, right? So let me know in the comments and I will soon make a video on that as well if you want that, right? So yeah, that's it for the video, and I think I already show you how you can set it up. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, you can have this template completely for free in the description, so you can just download it, right? And other than that, that's all you need to do. You need to create a custom project in Google Cloud, you need to create a API key, then you need to create a search engine, and then you need to copy the CX value, the API key, and all you need to do is paste all of this into their respective section, like the API key in this section and the CX value in this section, and you can change the search query according to your needs. Other than that, you don't need to do anything. So yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you in the next one.